Hello everyone, I cook fish tilapia and stir fry kale. It's very delicious. I marinate the tilapia like whole night and fried with the butter. And also I stir fry with the garlic and onions, the kale fresh from my garden. It's very healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and please leave comments. First, I add like garlic, salt, and also parsley leaves and lemon powder, the tilapia fish, and also black pepper. Now you have to mix it well, and then after that you have marinate whole night or whatever, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then set aside to put inside the refrigerator. And after that you have to stir fry, you have to put butter, 1/2 of butter, and then fry the fish. It's turned brown, making sure fish is cooked. And also you have to boil water to boil the kale harvested from my garden. So now I turn the fish. It's really good, guys, and healthy. So subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. Thank you so much. So now when the fish is ready, and then you have to sit aside in the clean plate. So now I put the kale, very fresh the kale, and add onions. When the onions is cooked, then you have to add the garlic. So now I drain the water, the kale. The kale is like 1 minute to boil. So now you have to stir it, stir fry the kale. So thank you to all my co-YouTuber, and also thank you to my subscriber. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe, likes, and leave comment. As you can see, the food is ready to serve. Thank you so much. Advance Merry Christmas and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye. Looks yummy and healthy food.